Yo, what is up guys? My name is Brian Barron here, and today we're with the second tutorial of our Bucket Minigame series. So sorry for the music, guys. From last episode, this episode, music. My mom just likes to listen to music. She's, she always loves music. Anyways. Especially Asian music. She loves Asian music. I don't know why. But, today's, we're not going to be touching events still, I don't think, but we're going to actually be doing stuff in our main class, our commands class. So we're going to actually make a command called assign team. Yeah, I think that's it. Assign team. Bam. Okay, so we're just going to extend. No, we're going to implement. I was about to put extends Java plugin, but implements command executor, and we're just gonna do on command bam, control D, args, sender. See, this is why I like to program. It's really relaxing, and it's like, if you know what you're doing, it's really like, if you know what you're doing, it's kinda, how do I say it? It's kinda cool because you get to make whatever you want and like make the things you want to make come true. And soon you'll be doing the things I'm doing, or hopefully even better, because the whole point of me teaching you is so you guys can become better than what I am. I'll admit, I'm a hobby programmer. I don't do this a lot. What's going on here? Why isn't this? Okay, wait. Control X. Oh, my bad. Okay, so if sender instance of player, we're actually going to be making the assigned team. So we're going to make an else player.message. Jesus. Chat utils dot starter plus this space forget it. I was thinking, because like I wasn't for sure if the console was actually gonna get the colors inside of the starter, but whatever. I mean, you must be a player to do this command. And I'm going to assume everyone inside of the server will be able to use the assign team command, because that's what's going to happen. So inside, we're going to be making an array list. Oh, that was so bad. Okay, so inside, let me think this out first. Let me think. So, we're going to, you know what, I was thinking of using enums, but I never really actually taught you guys about enums yet. So what I'm actually going to be doing is, I'm going to be deleting this, because we won't be needing this. We're just going to be using plain old array lists. So we're going to be making an array list of strings, and we're going to make this team 1. No. Players in. We're going to make this PT1 for player team 1. And we're going to make this equal to a new array list of strings. Bam, bam, everything's looks good. Bam, just near this. Okay, so inside of here will be player names and such. So we need to actually, what am I saying? We need to copy this, we need to do that. Bam, for PT2. And we're going to be making a switch statement. So we're gonna do, actually, should we do a switch statement? I think it would randomly choose these players. Actually, you know what? To make this a lot more simpler, we're actually going to be letting the players choose their teams, and then later on, like rearranging, like resorting the teams to make them even. Because I think that'll be a lot more player interactive. So if the arg length is equal to 0, we're gonna have to tell these players, like, yo, yeah, you get the choice. You have the choice to choose your own teams. To choose your own teams. So, yeah. If actually we need to make a string called subcommand, which will equal a string args. No. I'm trying to think. Subcommand will equal a string. Equals string. I forgot how to do this. So embarrassing. So I'm just gonna start testing args 0 value what? Arg string. No, that's not good. String subcommand will equal to a new string called. Okay, you know what? I'll fix that later because it'll come to me. Subcommand dot equals, in our case. There we go. Okay, so if the subcommand is equal to, in our case, blue, then we're going to PT1. So PT1 will be, you know what? We're gonna make this blue team. There, blue team. There we go. That'll be a lot better. And this will be orange. No, we're gonna make this red team. Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, so blue team dot add. We're going to add the player's name. There. We're just gonna add them to the array list of strings with their name. And simple. Bam, bam. Control. Control C. Gonna do this. Bam. If subcommand is red, then red team dot add. Okay, guys. So I'm back. Sorry. A little bit of intrusion. I was doing this all wrong. So we're gonna remove that, and we're actually gonna do if args. I'm trying to do it in an old style way. You know what I mean? Old style. There is another way that you can just make the string like blah blah blah, and then make it equal to arg0. I'm not even gonna do that. Like whatever. This works. So if the player types slash assign team blue, it will assign them to the blue team. If they type slash assign team red, it'll assign them to the red team. Easy. You must be a player to do this command, blah blah blah. Okay. Inside of our game. Actually, we're gonna do. Wait, how long is this one? 10 minutes? Jesus Christ. We're gonna make a new listener. That's gonna be if the listener. The listener will be player death. Implements. Jesus Christ, that music, man. Listener. Bam, bam. Listener. I spell listener right. What's wrong? Huh. I guess I just didn't press the right one. Probably did that, huh? Yeah, I was probably doing that. Okay, so, at event handler, I'm gonna do public void on player death. I'm gonna do, and, no, death, like, what was it? Death by entity, whatever. Entity death events, yeah, that's what it was. Events. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm feeling the events and sometimes I'm feeling the E. Like, you know, but today I'm just feeling the events because events are cool. Okay, I'm gonna do player equals e.get entity. Jesus. Okay, e.get entity. Alright, looks like I'm feeling the E. Not event, I lied. E.get entity. What's going on here? Can I not do that? Is that, oh, is it actually e.get player? No, it's not even e.get player. What is it? I'm so confused. E.get. What is it? Just tell me. Yeah, see, it's e.get entity. Why are you giving me this shit? Oh. Entity. I just gotta import entity. From org.bucket.entity. Just gonna make this ent. Make an if statement if ent is equal to if ent is an instance of player. So we're checking if the entity is a player. Import player. So if the entity is player, then if the entity dot get last damage cause was, oh my god, so tired, was equal to damage, what was it, damage cause dot yeah, this was damage cause dot, is there actually like, no, it's just entity attack. So let me just bam this shit up. Oh my god. So what's wrong here? If the, let's see, you know what, just to make things easier, last damage cause, obviously, the video was done rendering, so it's gonna randomly pop up with my new video. Oh, it actually popped it up here. Okay. So I don't know what's going on here. Either get if the entity's last damage cause was equal to damage cause, is it like dot equals? Pretty sure it's not dot equals, but if it is, I'll be pretty surprised. Huh, look at that, it is. Huh, I'm stupid. So, if the last damage cause was by an entity attacking it, then, good news for this. The entity cause was, sorry, I'm just so tired. Oh my god, I'm tired. This was taking a lot longer than I expected it to be. If the entity's last damage was by an entity attack, then we just want to player dot teleport to. I need to make a utilities. I'm going to make a new location. Utilities. If I didn't mention this in the oh my god, if I didn't mention this in the previous tutorial, I'm going to expect you to have like intermediate like view of Java and Bucket, of course. Bucket is probably right. Or you can have watched all of my tutorials, because I'm literally just going to be doing things out of my tutorials, nothing more. So that's cool. So everyone who watched my videos will be able to kind of like refer to my tutorials and put it on. What the fuck? What just happened? Okay, I was kind of scared there. We're gonna make a new location. We're gonna make this blue spawn equal new location bucket.get world. It's just going to be, and it's going to be the team deathmatch world. Actually no, TDM world. It's going to be it's going to be X, it's going to be Y, it's going to be Z, and we will edit that later. Then import all this. So actually no, we'll just like make this 1, 2. Jesus Christ. I feel like you guys might be thinking like I'm high or something. Oh my god. Okay, so if the entity's last damage cause, actually we need to check. We need to check if the entity is inside of, if the entity, no, if, okay, so I wonder if this works. If I'm super tired, so my methods, like, I'm definitely going to be editing a lot of this, like, in the next tutorial. I'm going to be editing a lot of my code, like, in the next tutorial. Jesus Christ. If the entity, no, if the blue team, is that what I named it? Like, is that what I named it? Jesus Christ. Blue, no, it's not even in here. Let's go. My team. No, not in my team. Okay, it's in this one. Blue team, yeah, that's what I named it. Oh, let's go. Okay. If blue team dot contains entity dot get name. Does that, okay, I need to do my team. No, it's not even my team, it's a side team. Done. And then just import side team. Oh. I'm gonna make this static, since I'm gonna be using this in a lot of places. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it public, forgot. Public static. Okay. Okay, so that works. Yeah, so if the entity is inside a blue team, not like literally inside, but like, you know, if it's inside of, like, you know, yeah, Jesus Christ. I don't know. If it's inside of this, and like if it was attacked by another player, then I will just teleport them to. I'm gonna need to make I made a blue spawn. We're just gonna teleport them to location, utilities, You kill stuff. This one. What's wrong? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Tell me what's wrong with that. So I'm gonna make this public. Import this one. There we go. Okay, happy. Alright, there we go. And we need to make, Jesus Christ. You know what, I'm not even gonna make a player right now, I'm just gonna teleport the entity. I'm just gonna teleport the entity to do spawn, and else if the, can I make an else if statement here? Is there a possible else if? That like else if sign team dot red team dot contains entity dot get name. So if they contain, then we're just going to teleport them to there. Yeah. You know what I mean. What the? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end off the tutorial right here. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so tired. I am just so buzzed. This went on a lot longer than I thought it would go on for, so hope I see you guys in the next tutorial, which will be like tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the third tutorial for Bucket Minigame tutorial. So yeah, later guys. I don't even know why I'm looking at this. I'm not supposed to be showing you this. Yeah, goodbye.